Hi everyone, today I would like to show you this portable mini vacuum. Will be great to clean pet hair or you can clean your car. It's super lightweight, rechargeable. You can take it with you everywhere. And so powerful. Comes with different nozzles. So this is how it looks like without any nozzles. This is the main one. Just attach this. Done. Perfect size. With brushes, USB Type-C charging cable, and two blow nozzles. Alright, let's try to clean my couch and I will show you how to use this brush to clean all stuff under my couch pillow. So let's press the button, you can adjust it. Took me around 30 seconds, all stuff inside. Some coffee beans on my carpet and on the floor. Let's try this nozzle. And it's super easy to clean. Just press the button. And perfect size for vacuum bags. Super fast, very powerful. Guys, I was sent this portable mini vacuum for review and I will definitely recommend it to buy it. Super powerful, lightweight, rechargeable, plus you can use it to blow your stuff, maybe your mattresses, or it's summer so outside, children toys. As well, you can clean your house or car. Great quality, super easy to use. You can always buy it on Amazon.